Okay guys, today I'm about to do some steam fish. So I already clean them, like whistle clean. You can see the inside of them, you know what I mean?
That's fish.
Alright, well clean. So what my next move is to season them. You know what I mean? In the meantime, this ain't gonna get more ingredients. Alright? So as I marinate these now, then I prepare my pot with the stuff to put them into. Yeah. Alright, my style is my style, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Excuse me.
Okay guys, so now that I marinate it now, you know what I mean? So it's all set. And it's going to be there for about another, maybe about half an hour or more before I get everything ready and put it into this pot here. Alright guys, them ingredients I'm going to just use them up in the steam fish thing, see? As you see. This happy tomorrow still. Chicken and goat. Crackers. As you see them. Irish. Some bammy. I have one coconut still, pumpkin. Every little season now. So I do say steam fish business this, you know what I mean? I don't feel a whole by explanation, and my style, you know what I mean? My style different, but everybody has their own style. You understand? Okay? So catch you in the mid-sight again. Alright guys. And in the meantime, you know, this is a real shut up, you know. You know, that's in the meantime. So I don't know. My stove are part of me tabletop, countertop, you know. You know, I see dirty one so when me I use. Most everybody in the house, you know what I mean? But that I cut out, I guess. But yeah, you see time now? 4:14.
Fish don't look like they can go in this.
You see buying a hole in there?
So you say you're professional. You know what I do.
A soup here, McGanna? A soup here?
No.
What's he making? Auntie, what's he making?
Steam fish.
Steamed fish. Oh, are you making it with the crackers too?
Yes.
Is it gonna be spicy?
Yes.
Why?
Try now, get none.
Why not?
Get up here.
I like chicken.
Alright, just cook on a little bit more and then I want to cut. See how it tastes at first.
I'm gonna taste it now. Yeah. What funny man, boy? Let me taste it.
I already put in most of the crackers already still, so
Why am I
Yeah,
putting
what
so much crackers?
done with them now. I don't type this now, you know? So I don't know, I'm going to cover this now. See? I make it steam. Yeah. So the fish in there, everything in there. So I'm going to cover this now. I make it just steam. Right, turn it down so that's a good. Eat low. So you don't know say a steam fish. On a fish tea. See guys? So tell me how you look. How you think? Alright? Got some bum here, see what I'm fry. So once I want the crispy so you can try it. And crispy. So like that. You know what I mean? And everything all night. Boom. Out. At the lakeside. There's a few ducks over there too as well. Yeah, I just this is one here swimming around. Those are the ducks sitting down, not doing much. A few guys over there doing fishing. As you can see, there's way there. Yeah, two guys down there fishing. If you look across there, you can see two other guys too over there. Yeah, over there. The birds and are. Yeah, I gave them some feeding, but not enough for everyone to get. But yeah, it's nice out here, eh? That's across the wharf area. I think those big tank there are for oil storing, I guess. Supposed to. And dome that they maybe store things into as well. And yeah, it's actually the wharf area where ship came in and dock and offload material like steel. See a couple of them sitting over there, and further across there, that's where you have a lot of people sitting enjoying the lakeside. Yeah, but soon I will go over that side too, right? It was my first time at this angle, taking a shot of what you see that I usually do sometimes, you know. But at the time when the big ship was there offloading the steel, I didn't have the access to come on this side to shoot the video, you know, which I would see the operation of what was going on clearly, you know. Sunny day. Yeah, these are some of the steel that the ship bring. They use here so to store it, you know. It's along the line here also too, you know, if you look carefully, you know. So this is actually from the other side where I was, and this is just a day as sunshine. The guys cutting the lawn, traffic are rolling through, you know what I mean, the parks. Yeah, this is actually down by the park where I came all the time, as you can see. People coming in, people going out, pretty busy. All the car parks are loaded up, and that's my little car, not him. My daughter, little car, the one on the far right, that's sitting over there. Also, you got bus load coming into as well, right? So it's a beautiful day, biker, you know, and yeah, they maintain the whole here like that. I mean, community ball field that open up to everyone. What kind of game you want to play, what you want to do, yeah. It's a day of busy traffic. Yes guys, so these are some of the steel that the ship bring in, and they've stored here for local shipment or truck haul whenever time they needed them. And I think these are kind of steel beam that they use to make like bridges, column, overpass, roadways, all kind of thing that is, right? And as I walk along to show you the beauty of the park with the sunshine, the shade, you know, trees, you know, it just vehicle park up like a old area. See that? That's an old parking, old big parking here. Actually full up. You know, it's like on a Sunday, people just catching their outdoor thing, you know what I mean? Enjoying the moment. And down by the lakeside it's supposed to be very busy as well too, you know. Yeah, it's beautiful, bro. Look there, look over there, look at the sunshine between the trees and the shades. It's so amazing, eh? Yeah man, it's beautiful. I mean, in snow time, like in winter, and when it's fall, I think I show you guys already too how it look, you know what I mean? Yeah. But yes man, I mean, like, it's just nice, you know. This is a what kind of house, I don't know what kind of house. I have to look. We're gonna check out this waterfall here now, guys. Yeah, and I'm getting closer to the ocean as well, you know. That's a little squirrel. Watch him. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. There's a squirrel. See? See in there? Yeah, there's a squirrel chasing our. Come here. Come here. There you go. There you go. How are you? How are you doing? Eh? I'm not hurting you. I'm not gonna hurt you. There she go. There she go. Hey. Yeah. This is the little settings. Lawnmower at work. Also keep the lawn clean and nice, you know. Yeah, they are the one that maintain the lawn, keep it as how you saw it, you know. I guess they are doing some construction over where you see those oranges colors are. Yeah. And this is the water fountain, a little one. Look gorgeous too, right? Clean, nice. Yeah. know what I mean? This is what people have been waiting for so long after the winter. You know what I mean? These are the kind of things that people are actually waiting for to enjoy. Yeah. Oh, cool. And reading over here. See? You know? Nice fountain here. And you're gonna catch this. I'm reading here now. Pretty close to the waterfall. But I'm standing in between. You know? Perfect. It's a nice day, beautiful day. See down on the lakeside now, it's very busy. Very, very busy. You know, people have been waiting so long. Yeah. And I noticed since then I just can't get to take Malachi down here. You know what I mean? I didn't wake up very late. He went to bed late and he wake up late. And this is like a picnic area. You know? Yeah. You see, guys. Blue, green, the color, and this outstanding thing here now. It is called, as you see here, CA 1835. But yeah, you know, so busy with all the activities. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah. Flowers, also beautiful. Huh? Look there. Oh my, you could go ahead. Nice. I think it's this guy they call a guy. I'm not sure, but this is pretty close to where I took the first one. Right? Wow. Yeah. And that is out on the lake, out on the pier that you can walk to as well. Blue water, it's so pretty. You know what I mean? Very, very beautiful. The sky and the water is just basically the same. See? You don't even know this is the water or this is water, but yes. People are having some amazing time out in the water. And the beach. Yeah. In the shades. Yeah, it's just a lovely day for people to come out and, you know, enjoy the day. And as I said, I walk over there and sit out there, right out there. But I take it from all the way over there. Yeah. Another picnic here.